ụmụ Biafra, ndị Igbo ekelekwa m unu. Ndị ihe m na-adị mma, ana m asị udo dịrị unu. Achọrọ m ime ka unu mara na atụrụ sịrị na nsọkọta ugwu. Atụrụ sịrị na nsọkọta ugwu. Ya mee ha na-aga na ọtụtụ, ha dị ọtụtụ na-aga ebe ọbụla ha na-aga. I greet Biafrans. I greet Igbo people who believe in freedom. This very moment, I want to make it more categorical and explicit to those that are very blind and myopic, that they cannot see beyond their nose. Nnamdi Kanu's case or release has been is fast forwarded by Nigeria Federal High Court to 26th September 2025. And permit me to say that there is every reason for them to release Nnamdi Kanu. Listen to me. One of the most important reasons why they should release him unconditionally now is that he is not guilty of any allegation or proscription on him by the Nigeria government terrorist. Nnamdi Kanu is not guilty. Number two, Biafra is a nation that cannot be stopped. I and you know this one too well. And for the information of those who didn't know or who don't know that Biafra is a nation, there is nothing you can do to bring Biafrans and Nigeria to agreement until this world comes to an end. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you are listening to me this very moment, I want to inform you that some demons cannot go by praying and fasting. Some demons will only leave your body by a dirty slap. When you give the demon a dirty slap, it will fall out. And that is what we are doing now. I'm not against those who are protesting for Nnamdi Kanu to be released. But you should know that this is not the first protest that has taken place for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, but Nigeria government turned blind eyes and paid deaf ear to it and feel like nothing is happening because Southeast politicians are fools. And because Southeast politicians are morons, so now Northerners and the Yorubas take Biafrans for granted, which now we are teaching them a lesson that until this world comes to an end, they will never learn it. So, for this reason, they are now running helter-skelter. Southeast politicians, Tinubu in serious pain because Tinubu's main agenda was to kill Nnamdi Kanu. He never meant well for Nnamdi Kanu, but I think it has turned against him. It is turned against him. Tinubu will die. Go and mark my word one place. And Tinubu will not see 2027. Because the hatred that have accumulated by Tinubu and his cohorts cannot bring peace in Nigeria at large. So, that is point 2. And another thing I want to tell Biafrans is to be very careful, because when your enemies are coming for reconciliation, that will be the most dangerous moment. If you don't take care, they will kill you. As they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu release everywhere, listen to me. This is to bring the heart of those who are willing to do the needful down, make them weak, so that they will stop what they are doing. But I want to tell the men on ground, fortify yourself, be ready for the next Nigeria Biafra civil war, because it must happen. They release criminals and terrorists and rapists, but an innocent man without a gun, without a bullet, and without knife was confiscated in the DSSRBs for over 4 years now. For no reason, just because he said, stop killing my people and stop destroying innocent lives. They injected the poison into Nnamdi Kanu's body in Kenya. I'm telling you that Nigeria government and Nigeria is finished. The third reason why they must release Nnamdi Kanu is because they kidnapped him. Nigeria government is a kidnapper. So they kidnapped him, illegally renditioned him to Nigeria, and stuck him for 4 years now in the DSS custody. No trial, no judgment, no fair hearing, nothing. You can see the impunity of Nigeria government. This is not government. This is dustbin. Nigeria is a dustbin. Are you getting what I'm saying? Because even in animal kingdom, they have a leader. Nigeria, there is no leader. They don't have a leader. I've given you the cardinal reasons why they must release Nnamdi Kanu and release him now. So protest is not enough, because we have seen a lot of protests, and the so-called Tinubu or late Buhari will order to kill Igbo people, kill Biafrans, scare them, so that nobody talks about Biafra. Let me see how many millions of Biafrans that Tinubu will be able to kill before Biafra is finally declared. And let me tell you that there are new Biafran emergence now. People you have not seen before, people you have not set your eyes on them before. I'm telling you the truth. We are just waiting in recent days. If the needful is not done by releasing Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria will turn to Somalia, Hamas, and Palestine. If you don't know. Tinubu won't have anywhere to run to. And I mean, Biafran politicians will not run to anywhere. They see the truth, they turn it upside down. We will stop at nothing than to get what we need. And what we need is to release our indomitable leader, Ohamadike One of Biafra land, His Excellency, Nnamdi Kanu, must be released. We owe no man apology, and we are not begging anybody to release him. We are going to do what is necessary. And we are doing it now, as you can see. Both Dick and Harry are getting it hot. They are not finding things easy, both Fulanis. So, for you people's information, we know those who sold Nnamdi Kanu, and those who sold Simon Ekpa, and those who are killing Biafrans, and those who are killing Christians in Nigeria. Christians from the north, northern Christians, from Madugri, Sokoto, we call it Nasarawa State, Niger State, all the northern part of Nigeria. Christians are being killed on daily basis. But let those parts of Christians from that region wake up. Let us finish them up. If they were listening to me, they will be at the middle. Then we will masticate them. I don't want to talk much, but I'm telling you, there is a war, serious battle now going on in Imo State. They will only tell you what Nigerian soldiers destroyed, but nobody will report to you what Biafran Liberation Forces have done. A good job, a well-done job, a job that needs compensation. But we are doing it because it is our own. We must put our land and our nation in order, and peace must reign in Biafra land forever and ever. So all Biafrans, don't be deceived. We will not give up from fighting Nigeria government until he releases Nnamdi Kanu. We will not give up from fighting Fulani terrorists and Nigeria militaries and police and DSS. They must leave Biafra land for their own good. But if they refuse, we will move them by force. If they refuse to move, we will move them. And we are moving them. It doesn't really matter where we move them to. But all we know is that they must, as a matter of fact, an urgency, evacuate from Biafra land, because nothing shall bring us and them on the same table for any negotiation to remain one evil entity called Nigeria. We are Biafrans, and this is our symbol, and this is in our gene, this is in our blood chromosome. We cannot be killed. We have Biafranic anemia in our blood chromosome. Thank you.